Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, who is ready to talk about Boxycharm again? Might as well get ready because that's what this video is going to be about. So I got my second Boxycharm box in the mail just a few days ago. I have not opened it yet. I'm going to be unboxing it here in this video. But before I start unboxing it, I want to talk to you guys about hearing back from Boxycharm. So I contacted them through customer service email. I contacted them through Instagram, like the private messaging on there. And even though I have heard back from them, and they did respond to my emails, they have not given me any information yet. So like I said in my first video, I asked my mom, I asked my cousins, and the reason I asked those people in particular is because aside from companies that I'm affiliated with, they're the only ones who have my address. A few of you had wondered if maybe Alan had got it for me, but to be honest, Alan doesn't even know what Boxycharm is, and I don't even think he knows our address. So I decided I'm going to read the emails to you guys to let you know what they've said. I don't know if this is like confidential emails, if I'm not supposed to be reading it or whatever, but at this point, if I'm not really being given information, then, I mean, you know, it is what it is at this point, I think. So the first time I emailed them, they wrote back and said, "Thank you for contacting Boxycharm. We are happy that you will be receiving our Boxy goodies. We have gone ahead and forwarded your email to our bloggers relations department so that they may further assist you." Okay, that's fine. I wrote them again. Next email I get is pretty much they're saying sorry that I haven't heard back from anybody, that they're apologizing that I didn't get a response. They have an overwhelming amount of collaboration inquiries. That kind of threw me off right there because I'm thinking to myself, like, this is not a collaboration inquiry. I am not writing you guys to collab with y'all. I'm just trying to figure out where this package is coming from. So it says, "Don't worry. We can assure you that we're working around the clock to answer each and every request, yada, 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 and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okie dokie." I write again. I said, "I still haven't heard back, yada, yada, yada." They write again. They say, "Thank you for contacting us. We are happy that you are receiving," same email as the first one. Then I get another email that says that they will get back to me within 2 to 3 days. Okay, so I'm like, yeah, nobody's getting back to me. Nobody's giving the information that I'm asking for. So I went ahead and contacted them through Instagram because I thought maybe somebody could help me there. So the first message I get is, how may we help you? So I explain the situation. They say, "We'll see what our support team can do about it. We suggest reaching out to them through the website." I'm like, okay, I already did that. Still haven't heard back any information. So yeah, that ain't working. They write back and say that their team responds to all inquiries within 3 business days, yada, yada, yada. You'll hear from them soon. Okay. Then I get another message that says, "Please know that we've passed along your email," because they asked for my email address. I gave it to them. They said they passed it along to the support team, and they have informed us that they have followed up with your inquiry on July 7th. Please be sure to check your spam folder. Okay, I check my email, I check my spam folder, and I've already read all of the emails from Boxycharm. And July 7th was when they sent the message about the overwhelming amount of collaboration inquiries. Like I said though, I'm not writing them to try to collab with them. I'm just trying to figure out where this box came from. Another weird thing that I forgot to mention in the first video is that there's one number off on my apartment number. Like on the address, there's like one number that's not even a part of my address. Like they actually did the wrong address. It's addressed to my name, my apartment number, my city and state, zip code, but yeah, the address was just one number off. So I'm just still confused. I don't know if maybe I have like a stalker or a secret admirer out there who maybe, just maybe, has my address and they decided to send me a cool Boxycharm box. I don't know. Totally kidding about that, but yeah, seriously, this is still just weird to me. I'm still confused about it, and they're not giving me much information, but hopefully, girl, I hear back from them soon. And when and if I do, I will let y'all know. So let's get into this unboxing. I have no clue what's in here. Like I said, I have not opened it yet. And you know what, this time, I actually don't think I want to look at the paper because that shows you what all's in there. I don't want to know. I don't want to know it ahead of time. I want to open up the box and see all the cool stuff. Ow, shoot, hurt my hand. I want to see it all in front of my face. So, all right, here is the paper. I'm not gonna open it. And here's what's inside. Okay, so the first thing we have here is Dr. Brand's Needle No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Oh, that is awesome. I've actually been needing something like this because I swear the older I get, them eyes are puffy in the morning and I'm like, does this come with age or something? Is this hereditary? What is going on? So yeah, that's awesome that I got this product. I can't wait to try that. Hopefully it actually works. Yeah, it's a depuffer eye gel. That's awesome. Next thing here is from a brand called Note, and it's a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the shade Desert Rose, and it also says argan oil on the front, which I'm gonna assume that it has argan oil in it, so that's awesome. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's got a pretty blush in there. I love me some blush, so that's awesome. And it comes with a little brush. I would actually love to apply it right now, but I'm sure you guys can already tell that I have a little too much blush on right now. Okay, I'll stop. Anyways, this is awesome. I love blush. Next thing we have here is from Cella. I own a few Cella products, so this is cool. This is Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Oh, hey, they sent me taupe too, so that's good because, you know, my eyebrows are kind of taupe-ish. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, wait, I'm sorry. Did I even show it to you guys before I decided to open it? Jumping ahead of myself. So this is what it looks like. And it's got two ends here, and so one side has the eyebrow product in there, and then the other side has a brush. That is really neato canito. Seems like it's a creamy formula, not a powder. I probably shouldn't do this right now because I can't really see. But that's gonna be awesome. I really like this. Very interesting too. This is like really perfect for on the go for like touch-ups, just in case you need them. Sometimes I do need touch-ups because for some reason, sometimes my eyebrow wipes off. And yeah. Next thing we have here is from Wonder Beauty, and this is Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Oh, when I first seen it, I actually thought it was a lip color. And to be honest, I was thinking to myself, like, please don't let this be a lip color, because I don't know that I'd use that color. But it's a mascara, so that's cool. So, oh, this looks like it's gonna be a good mascara. I love a fat, fluffy brush, and it's also curved, and I guess that's what makes it curl. But I like that brush, and the formula feels good. And this is kind of like a cool little container. I don't think I have a mascara that's like in a plastic squeezy tube, like a lip gloss tube. So that's pretty neat. Can't wait to try this. So we have another thing in here. This is actually the last thing in here, and it's bubble wrapped for you bubble wrap lovers, for your popping pleasure. Okay, so let's see what we got. This says Crown Pro. What is this going to be? Is it going to be eyeshadow, or is it going to be... What is this going to be? I cannot wait to find out. Whoop. Oh, this is a nice little sleek black packaging. Oh, is that eyeshadow? Oh, girl. So we've got some, so first of all, we got a mirror up at the top that makes me say, hey girl, hey. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eyeshadows. And there is a mixture of some mattes and some shimmers here. And on my camera, they actually look really orangey and coral, but in person, a majority of them, in my eyes,
look at me with your special eyes,
look like neutrals, but now that I'm looking at them, I'm like, am I blind? These are really pretty, actually. Very, very pretty colors. So here, 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 and here is the shimmers, and then around there is the matte shades, and they are really pretty. Oh, by the way, I am wearing the eyeshadows today that were from the last Boxycharm box that I opened. Yeah, girl, I'm wearing some of those eyeshadows because they are super pretty. Yeah, these are gorgeous. I can't wait to try these. And it's like, it's a nice package. ASMR tapping. Chills. So yeah, I got my second Boxycharm box in. I am officially a Boxycharm charmer. Still don't know what's going on, but it happened. Yeah, can't wait to hear back from them though. That would be great. Let's see what the prices are on some of these products. So the eye depuffing gel is $42. Sweet mother. The eyeshadow palette is $29.99. The mascara is $24. The blush is, I'm sorry. I'm one of those people that I actually laugh at myself all day long. My husband thinks I'm insane, but I'm like, I am hilarious. Okay, you probably don't think so, that's cool. But you know, it keeps me laughing and keeps me joyful and keeps me happy, so that's all that matters. But I just imagined myself throwing that product and I don't know, like the thought of it was just funny to me.
Is $42.
Anyways, so this blush is $11.99 and the Cella eyebrow product is $26. Girl! This is called, oh, this is the July 2018 Boxycharm box. This is called Road Trippin', and on the back they even give you some coupon codes. So that is so cool. So yeah, this was another winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Thanks, Boxycharm, or whoever is sending me these Boxycharm packages. I totally appreciate it because this is some awesome stuff and it just shows up in my mailbox out of nowhere. No, but seriously, like, some really good stuff. And yeah. And it's mine, all mine. And I don't even know how it got here, so yeah. What do y'all think? You still think it's crazy? Like, what is the deal? I don't understand. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't signed up for Boxycharm yet, I would say go ahead and do it because, I mean, this is some pretty awesome products. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you are already subscribed, then thank you very much. I totally appreciate it. Leave me some comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, I almost ended this video. I totally forgot. Last night, I did the random generator thing for the 2 giveaways that I was running. So if you guys remember, I was doing a giveaway for the hair products, and then I was doing another giveaway where there was 2 winners. Well, that was hair products too, but remember the first set was like shampoo and stuff. The second giveaway was the curling irons and all that. So last night I did the random generator and I got the winners' names. Yeah, I totally forgot about it. Like, I just did that last night. Hold up, my sister and my husband texted me, so let me respond to them really quick. And then I'll tell you who the winners are. So, for the first winner, you won the Many Ethnicities hair package. The shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. The first winner for the stuff I just said is, the username is sexylooks89. So her comment said, "Hi Charity, I am subscribed to your schedule. When I first started watching you in 2015, the first time I saw your video how to get thicker hair, I was hooked. So I am subscribed. I would love to win. I have never been a winner of any of the contests I've entered. It would be so nice to be picked the winner of your channel. You are my favorite YouTuber. Also, I love your black and white bedding." Thanks, girl. I hope you have a great day, signed Kimberly. So, congratulations, Kimberly. You are the winner of the hair care bundle. That was the shampoo and the conditioner and the leave-in treatment. So congratulations to you. So next I have the 2 winners for the straightener and the curling iron. The first winner is Alicia Judy. Her comment said, yes, I want to win. I definitely need the auto shut off. I have a post-it note on my mirror reminding me to unplug my straightener every day. Ha ha. Girl, you just won the curling iron and the straightener with the auto shut off. So now you can throw away your post-it note, girlfriend, and be at peace. And the second winner is Alicia Q. She says, love your hairstyles tutorials. I would love to win. Awesome products. Love it curly. So just so you guys know, I do not handpick my winners. I don't pick personally. I don't go through the comments and be like, oh, she's gonna win, she gonna win. I like her comments. I don't do that. This is how I do my giveaways. I tell you guys to leave me a comment and to let me know that you want to win. So you have to say on there like, I want to win. I do this YouTube random giveaway generator thing, and so it takes all of the names, the usernames in the comments, and it just randomly chooses a winner, and I click the button that says choose winner and it randomly pops up a name. So yeah, they are randomly generated. And yeah, so sorry to everyone who didn't win my 2 giveaways, but good luck next time because I will be having more giveaways in the future. And congratulations to the girls who won. Thanks so much for entering and being a subscriber of mine. I appreciate it so much. So do me a favor and either contact me, there's a fuzz, either contact me through Instagram, like on the private messenger, or you can email me at ladylucktutorials@hotmail.com. I need your address so I can send it over to the company so they can send your prizes out to you. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!